What's that big one? What's that big guy underneath?
Big Hulk. And we have this little Target exclusive Hulk.
What did he come out of?
He came out of a box.
With a t-shirt?
With a t-shirt in it. It's really cool. And today we're going to be opening. There's a puppy in her hand. Yep. And today we're going to be unboxing this
Marvel Collector Corpse. Exclusive. Let's see what it is, guys.
And this is for Daddy.
What is that thing? Be careful, son. Put your pop down. Sorry, put your guy down.
It's a squishy.
Rip the bag open. Show what it is. Wait, son.
I'll get the
Both you guys. No. Here. Both you guys just pull the bag. You should be fine. Don't step on.
Okay.
Just sit still.
It's hard.
Careful, you don't ruin the pops behind you. You want me to open it? Give it to me. Here. Give it to me. Don't ruin the pop. How about you move that pop over there and put it on the desk real quick? What's that, son?
Keychain.
Here you go, Callie.
Okay.
Go sit down.
Keychain and Hulk.
Keychain of Hulk. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
And this is the squishy. It's really cool. It's a good stretch. Stretch thing.
Don't break them, though. It's a stress reliever thing, I think.
Look, it's a t-shirt.
Good job, buddy. Put it up there. It's a t-shirt. No, we don't need to open it right now.
It's a Hulk one.
Let me see the t-shirt.
It says the Hulk.
Cool.
A girl and Hulk.
It's not a girl. Kelly, what does it say? Read it.
The Hulk and Bruce
Banner.
Banner.
Hold it. Let me see it.
And look at that Hulk.
Whoa. So there's a big Hulk behind him and a little one, a little Bruce Banner in the front.
Yep.
Anything else in there? Patch or anything? Pins?
Oh, there's a patch. Look. The Incredible Hulk. A Marvel. That's what it says.
Awesome. Say adios.